Hey, Sunny Isle review fans! In this review, we're diving into the delightful world of Rain, Rain, Go Away by Cocomelon. Nursery rhymes. This classic nursery rhyme gets a fresh and engaging twist with Cocomelon's signature animation style, as the kids sing and play while wishing for the rain to go away so they can enjoy their day outside.
With its catchy tune, vibrant visuals, and relatable theme, this video is perfect for little ones who love to sing along and dance, rain or shine.
Watch the video in the link below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun-filled nursery rhyme and kids song reviews.